If you're facing battery draining issue after the iOS 26 update on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to settings, then tap on battery. Now under the battery settings, just tap on power mode and enable low power mode. After you enable low power mode, then go back to the main settings page and tap on display and brightness. From here, just select dark mode. After that, just scroll down and tap on always on display. Now, if always on display is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it. But if you want to use always on display, then just disable show wallpaper and blur wallpaper photo. After you do that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility settings, just tap on display and text size. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of auto brightness. Now just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, your iPhone will automatically dim the screen when you are in a low lighting environment. After doing that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on privacy and security. From here, just go to location services. Now if location services is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it. Then select turn off. After doing that, just go back and tap on tracking. Now from here, just disable allow apps to track. Now just tap on ask apps not to track. Now after you have done that, and if this did not fix your battery draining issue, then go back to the main settings page and tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on software update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, because this might be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now finally, I will give you a bonus tip. If you open the control center, then in the control center, just open the connection section. Now if you're using Wi-Fi, just disable mobile data. And if you're not using Bluetooth and AirDrop, just disable both of them from here. Because if you enable these connections all the time, they will consume the battery. So disable them when you're not using them. And this is how you can fix the battery draining issue after the iOS 26 update on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.